The more the merrier. Do you need 4 American Crew hairstyling products? You know who it is, it's Mikey G6. Thanks for tuning into my 8th video. And thanks to the person who DM'd me on Instagram, follow me at Mikey G6. He watched my comparison video where I battled the American Crew Paste versus the Dove Hair Putty. I'll link that above. He asked me which of the Crew products do I really need. So let's talk about the 4 products and narrow it down to 1 or 2. And you need to do 2 things. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. So anyways, let's talk about 6 things about these 4 products. And you can make one good decision about what you want to spend your money on. Number 1, all things are not priced equally. About these 4 Crew styling products, all from Target, a drugstore chain in the United States. The Form Hold Gel is 8.5 ounces and it costs $12. Each of these 3 plastic tubs are 3 ounces and they're all the same size, but they're all different prices. In order of cheapest to lowest, pomade is $10.50. The fiber is $12.50 and the paste is $18. Those are pretty big price differences because the paste is almost twice the price of the pomade. And I have to say, I don't think the gel is worth it, but more on that later. Number 2, what do they do differently? The gel is liquid and gooey, like any gel you've used. The pomade is medium hold and high shine. Looks kind of liquefied Play-Doh. The fiber is high hold and low shine. Looks like a candle that's melted and dried. It's pretty different from the pomade. And then we have the most expensive one, the defining paste. Medium hold and low shine. This is similar to the fiber, but supposedly has less hold and smells different. Which leads me to my next point. Number 3, how do they smell? And is the smell strong? Gel has no smell. The pomade smells like a household cleaning product, like a spray on your countertop. The fiber legit smells like Play-Doh. And the defining paste, which is I previously reviewed, smells more like a high-end candle. None of the scents are overpowering, but going on smell, my favorite is the paste. Number 4, as you can see, we're in my bathroom, so I can show you how I use them. I'm not a fan of gel, so the only thing I'm going to do with it is slightly below the crown. Just to hold the section down into place. Now I'm going to put the pomade medium hold on this section right here. I'm going to put the fiber high hold and low shine in the middle. And the paste medium hold low shine on the right. Number 5, do they last all day? Yes. I do think that the higher hold product, fiber, had more staying power all day. It's summer in Hollywood, so it's 85 to 90 degrees out. And I don't think any of them sweat out. But in terms of staying true to its original style from AM to PM, Fiber had the most authentic hold. Number 6, are they easy to wash out? I wash my hair out every other day. I'll do a different video about that later. But I don't think any of them are unusually sticky or hard to wash. So those are 6 facts about the American Crew product. Based on everything, I suggest you get these 2 items, but not necessarily from this line. It's good to have gel for those loose strands and baby hairs, and the hair below the crown. But I think you get better herbal essence or cheaper gel, because there's nothing great or special about this crew. In terms of the tins, I would say to get this one. Fiber. It's the middle price of the 3 and has high hold and low shine. I don't like shiny, so I would never use a pomade. I just think it looks too distracting when you have so much shine in your head. I like the low shine of the Fiber, and it has high hold. You can do different styles and it lasts all day. You may be thinking, well, I don't need too much hold. But this price doesn't feel stiff, so your hair will look touchable. And if you really feel like it's holding too much, you can use some water to dilute it when you start your styling, or blow dry for a longer amount of time. As I said, I don't like shine, so I wouldn't get the pomade, for any reason. I do like the paste, and it won the brand battle in my first video, but you can save $7 for getting Fiber, and it has more hold. So in closing, these 4 products, I would suggest that you get the American Crew Fiber. And to get a different gel that's cheaper. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to comment, follow, like, subscribe. And let me know what else you want me to talk about. You can interact with me on this video or follow me on Instagram, MikeyG6.